We'll be going over gold miners, ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in positive MACD and we're at overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought condition with the RSI. We have broken above the 200 moving average, this green line, and which acted as resistance in the past, and since we're above resistance, that now acts as our temporary support at the price of $47.47. As we extend that to the daily chart, we still remain in negative MACD, but we did see it converge. As for the trade idea of the week for gold miners, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $43.84, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $48.37, and my stop loss is at $43.24. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $51.60, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $44.48, and my stop loss is at $55.10. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold miners has a 17% chance to climb between 0 to 8%, and to the downside a 67% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 8 to negative 16%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.